In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your own images to a Canva template, so you can add as many images as you want, and we're going to show you how you can do that right now. So here we are inside of Canva. Now I happen to be in a template already. You can choose whatever template you would like. You can add any image to any template. Now you'll find that some templates, they have an image already there, and you can just kind of snap your image into place. So I'll show you how you can do that, and I'll show you how you can also upload your own image and move it and resize it. So once you've got your Canva project open, go to Uploads on the left, then you can go ahead and click Upload Files. And from here, you can find your image. Now I'm just going to upload an image of the sea. So I'm going to find the file and click Upload. And you'll notice once you do that, you'll see the progress here on the upload section and in the progress bar. Now what you can do, you can drag this image on and you can drag it anywhere onto your template. Now if you want to drag it onto an already existing image, most of the time it's just going to snap into place. So we could change that and it's going to snap into place. That's because this template already has a frame. Now you can upload any of your images and you can drag them on and you can resize these and add these however you'd want. Now, if you did want to add them to a frame and have them appear in a custom shape, you can find the frames by going to Elements, and then if you scroll down, you'll find Frames here, or you can search for it. Then if you click See All, you can drag on whatever frame you need. So let's say we want a star, and then you can drag your image onto that frame and it will snap to the frame's kind of like dimensions, and you can then resize that as a shape. So those are two ways that you can add an image to your template. I hope those were helpful.